Zach Moneypenny, and last night my fucking toilet broke. So I thought it would be a fun exercise in hilarious comedy if I videotaped myself attempting to replace this toilet with a new one. I just went to Home Depot, I bought a new toilet, I watched some YouTube videos, and I talked to Mike Workus. And that is what I've done to prepare myself for changing this toilet. I got myself a few tools, and I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's try to fix this fucking thing. Alright, step one. I gotta get all the existing water out of this old toilet before I rip it out of the ground. And I'm already being mocked by this bucket. Alright, so we got these new sponges. We're gonna do what the YouTube told me to. Soak up any water that's in here. Okay, that's already pretty dry because it was cracked down there and that's where all the water was leaking out, so the tank is pretty empty. And I just need to soak up all the water in here. According to the geniuses on YouTube, just need to get everything out from in the main bowl, and then there'll be a little bit of water left in the trap, which I assume when I lift off the toilet will just run all over the floor, and then I'll have to clean it up. Okay, try to get the last of that in there. I think that's just about everything that's in there. Okay. So, toilet has no water in it, in the top or the bottom. I'm pretty sure the water's off. Now, this is the part where it'll likely start some comedy. When I try to take the water hose off and the water is not off, and then it sprays me in the face like a fucking Three Stooges episode. Let's see. Okay, I'm trying to get the water supply line undone, but the fucking Incredible Hulk put it on there. So I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Alright. Let's see. Wait, maybe this? No. Hold on. I gotta adjust the thing. An adjustable wrench. Oh shit. We might have got something here. Alright. Okay, we're unscrewing it, and we'll see if the comedy begins. Please God, don't let this spray me in the face. Alright. The water is in fact turned off. I can't tell you how happy that makes me. Alright, step one. We theoretically have a toilet with no water in it now. Gonna take this bad boy. You know a true craftsman when you see him unwrapping the tools that he needs to use right before he's going to use them. Maybe Mike Workus is going to come over in a little bit and help me. Alright, so we're going to pop these fucking things off. Oh god. There we go. Alright, so now we've exposed bolts. Time to get these off. Now, the YouTube videos said that I had to cut the caulk line, but they didn't use caulk to put this in, from what I can tell. So, I think I just gotta remove these bolts. That's going to be done. Other side. Oh, wait a minute. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I am a retard. Alright. Alright. Other bolt off. I think. Okay. Alright. Now, the moment of truth. And if this works, I'm going to start my own YouTube series on replacing goddamn toilets. Because it might be the easiest thing I've ever done. Okay. We'll put these back on again. And in theory, where am I going to put this thing when I take it off? Old towel? This towel's pretty old. I will buy my wife a new towel if she doesn't like it. Gotta have some place to put the old toilet. Alright. Now, as far as I can tell, this toilet is not held down to the wood floor by any caulk or similar device. So, I'm gonna just try to lift it here. Okay. Move it over. Put it down. Okay. Now, per the video that I watched, how did people replace toilets and before YouTube? I don't know. Put some fucking shit down there to keep the poop fumes from destroying me. And that, my friends, is the end of part 1, removing the old toilet. Holy shit, I can't believe it was that easy. Stay tuned for part 2, where I comically try to put the new toilet on and probably grievously harm myself.